Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to access Google Photos from another device using your mobile phone, in just a few simple steps. So let's say you've already synced your photos on one of your devices using Google Photos, and now you're using another device and want to view those photos. We'll walk you through how to easily access them. There are a couple of different ways to do this. For example, you can use the Google Photos app. But if you're on a computer or a device without the app, no worries. You can simply use a web browser. Here's how. Open any browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome on an Android, but it works the same on Safari, Firefox, or any browser. Now, head to the top right of the page. If you're not signed in, tap Sign In or switch accounts. Make sure to choose the Google account that has your synced photos. Next, go to the address bar and type photos.google.com, hit Enter. And that's it. You'll be taken straight to Google Photos, where you can view, scroll through, and access all your photos. If this video helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.